Are you new to crypto and want to boost your token's volume on Pump.fun? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down volume boosting in simple terms and walk you through how to set up the Pump.fun Volume Bot step by step. Whether you're launching a new token or looking to increase liquidity, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started fast. Let's go. Before we dive into the setup, let's talk about what volume boosting is and why it's important. 1. More volume equals more visibility. Tokens with higher volume get noticed on Pump.fun and DEX analytics sites. 2. Increases holders and liquidity. More transactions make a token look active and trustworthy. 3. Attracts real investors. Higher volume draws attention from serious buyers and whales. 4. Helps your token trend. Trending tokens create FOMO, leading to even more organic trading. Pro tip: without volume, your token gets ignored. But with the right strategy, you can boost engagement and investor interest. So, how does this bot work? 1. Automates buy and sell orders. The bot places trades on your behalf to create steady volume. 2. Uses AI for smart execution. Trades are randomized to make activity look organic. 3. Multi-wallet distribution. Simulates real holder growth, increasing credibility. 4. Optimized for low gas fees. The bot executes trades when Solana gas fees are lowest. 5. Runs 24/7. No need for manual trading or constant monitoring. With this bot, you can focus on growing your project while it handles the trading volume automatically. Now, let's set up the Pump.fun Volume Bot in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Connect your wallet, open the bot, and connect your Phantom or Solflare wallet. Make sure you have some Sol for gas fees. Step 2. Choose your token, select the token you want to boost. Step 3. Set trading parameters, trade frequency. Choose how often the bot should execute orders. Order size range. Set a minimum and maximum trade size. Randomize delays. Ensures natural trading activity. Step 4. Activate the bot, click Start, and the bot will begin executing trades in real time. That's it. Your token is now gaining volume and moving up the ranks on Pump.fun. To get the most out of your volume bot, follow these pro tips. Monitor volume and holder growth. Adjust trade settings based on performance. Use realistic trade sizes. Avoid suspiciously large or small orders. Increase activity when needed. If you're close to trending, slightly boost volume. Keep it running. The longer the bot runs, the more organic your token's activity will look. With consistent optimization, your token can gain real traction and attract organic buyers. Before you start using the Pump.fun Volume Bot, ask yourself, do I have enough SOL in my wallet for gas fees? What's the right trade frequency and size for my token? How can I balance volume boosting with real investor engagement? Am I ready to keep my bot running long enough to trend? Answer these questions and you'll be ready to maximize your token's potential. The Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot is the ultimate tool to boost trading volume instantly, increase holders and liquidity, get trending and attract real investors. Make your token stand out on Pump.fun. Ready to take your token to the next level? Start using the Pump.fun Volume Bot today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beginner-friendly crypto guides. Before you go, check out our related videos, linked on the screen now. See you in the next video.